Okay, I've genuinely have been trying to record this video for like the past hour, but yeah. Okay, let me just start. This is so annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this zombie look. Can't even look at it. I don't even know who posted this. But this is it. And I'm gonna use this and this freaking palette to start. Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. It's okay. I don't know, I just try to fit home as many as I could. Okay. It's still a little wet. Okay, I genuinely gave up on recording, but I ended up blending the white with the green and then just mixing it together. And then with the watercolor one, I just did everything else. Dude, I suck at recording. Like, I literally can't. Physically can't. Oh my god. I was not meant for this, guys. I'm sorry. Anyways, this is how it's looking so far. Oh my god. And I have paint everywhere. But yeah. I don't even know what's next. Let me see. Okay. Okay, so we have the skin. And then we need to do the eyes. And then the other details. I think the eyes are gonna be next. Because I feel like it's just... Oh, it doesn't have eyebrows. I need to cover my eyebrows. Hold on. I need to cover my eyebrows. Dude. Oh my god. Ugh. My freaking eyebrow. No. Okay. Cover those. I didn't even realize I didn't have eyebrows. Right. Dude, I'm not. Because my eyebrows are already suffering enough. And no, I don't have brushes. I do, but I don't like using the brushes. I like using my fingers. And that's why I have acne. And then I'll do the neck later, but it's like later. Keep dropping my phone. Okay, so it should look like this. I was a little sloppy here, but we'll add fake blood so it looks better. And I can feel... What if I just shaved my eyebrows? Doesn't look that bad. Or bleach them. And now for the eye part, I'm gonna use this random ass palette I have. And then the black. And then just jam it in there. Something like that. I can feel like my little eyelashes, it itches. I get asked to do so many zombie tutorials on TikTok, but I never do them because I'm lazy. So, sorry. But that's basically it. Dude, I look fucking crazy. Okay. And then with this one, I needed the black for the, like, the wrinkles. Let me see. So, like, the wrinkles on the eye. Let me see if I can do that. No. Okay, this... I lost my little skinny one. Because I have another pencil that's, like, it has a skinny tip so that you can do the little lines. I don't know where it went. Let me just use my eyeliner. Should work too. Okay, yeah. Let me see. Oh wait, maybe I can zoom. Oh, I can't. And now that you have all these random lines, you have to blend them in. Something like that, I don't know. Pues ya que... Y así. A little bit more. Sure. Oh wait, I need to add more. Do I? Oh, and I'm supposed to add cheekbones. I think this one needs more dark. It's okay. Just keep blending. You know what? Just ignore it, actually. Just ignore it. I don't know. Never claimed to be a professional. I don't know how to do that. See, and all they did was just like draw a little line. I don't think that's lore accurate. I don't know. I think I went like 2 down and okay, now I'm gonna go with this red right here. On the eye. On the top crease. You see that? And then the bottom. Did anybody else see that George is partially deaf? I can't fucking... Dude, I can't even speak. He's partially actually deaf. I just found that out right now. Okay, and then we need to do like all of those cracks. We need to do that and that, and then we just need to like texturize it, add a fake blood, and you're like, I don't know, almost done. Oh, and the contacts, I have those too. Okay, I think I'm okay for the lines. I think I'm just gonna use eyeliner. But I'm genuinely so pissed. I don't know where my skinny pencil is. Oh my god. Okay. I need to add more. More eyeshadow. It's a whole mess. Okay, I genuinely think I'm almost done. I just need to add the face texture and then the fake blood. I'm gonna use this freckle pen for like the little dots. Maybe it'll work. I don't know. Oh fuck, no. Okay. The little I'm sure you can't really tell on camera. I mean, yeah, but trust me, it's there. Okay, do you see those little dots? Probably not. I feel ridiculous. And also, I feel like the eye part needs to be darker. Wait, let me just add the fake blood real quick. This is the fake blood I use. It's called Mycoli. And then I also have like this other bottle, but I'm just gonna use this one real quick. And then random little brush. Oh my god. I think it like evaporated. Okay. And then just put it all over the red. You see how like it's shiny? Okay, I added all the fake blood already. I can feel it drying. And then last... Okay, so I added my eye contacts in. It hurt. It burned so bad. I cried most of the makeup off. Like I can literally see the tears. This is basically it. I don't even know what to say. I can't really even tell you what I look like right now. From these eye contacts, it's like all foggy. You can barely see anything. I mean, I can tell shapes, but you can't see. You can't really see, or maybe it's just the ones I got. But that's it. That's basically it. I can also feel the fake blood like drying, like all over my lips. My nose feels fine. But this is basically the look. It's definitely not like the craziest zombie look I've ever done before. It's pretty simple, so hopefully, I don't know, maybe it's easy for anybody to do it. I don't even know. Tired. What time is it? It's 11:50. It's almost 12. And I also was going to straighten my hair for this, but I'm not taking the eye contacts off and I can't see with them on, so wrap it up. Wrap it up. I'm done. Oh, and then I forgot to do my neck. No, I can't. I'm tired. I'm so tired. But this is it. This is it. Never said I was a professional. But I mean, it's simple. Yes.